Let's solve a quadratic equation by completing this square. This is a method we can use when the problem may not be factorable and we may prefer not to use the quadratic formula. So I'm going to solve x squared plus 6x minus 3 equals 0. The first thing I need to do is move negative 3, as this is not going to be factorable as it currently stands. So I need to find the number that's going to go after 6x. What number is going to be placed onto both sides of the equation that will allow me to factor the left side as a perfect square binomial? In order to do that, we're going to use this C formula right here. So C is going to be equal to b over 2 squared. The b value in this problem is 6 over 2 squared. That gives me 3 squared, which is 9. So my next step is now to add 9 to both sides of this equation. And let's simplify on both sides. On the right side, 3 plus 9 we know is 12. On the left side, this is now something that can be factored into a perfect square binomial. We see that that represents x plus 3 squared equals 12. Now to solve the rest of this, we're going to take square roots on both sides. Remember that taking a square root on both sides generates both a positive and a negative answer. So I'm going to put my plus minus right before the radical 12. Let's simplify the radical and then move 3. I know that root 12 is going to be 2 root 3. And now to finish, I'm going to subtract 3 on both sides. So my final answer is going to be negative 3 plus or minus 2 root 3.